All right, guys, now that you've learned a little bit about shape, you learned the first week of the elements of art, and now you've learned a little bit more. You're now going to be doing some shape activities in your sketchbook. All right, so here's a review of what you learned. That's the worksheet with shape. So we learned about static shapes, dynamic shapes, geometric shapes, and positive and negative shapes. Here's our geometric shapes there. So what you're going to be doing, this is an example of mine from my sketchbook. You're going to show me what you learned. So in your sketchbook, you are going to draw the following: static shapes, dynamic shapes, geometric shapes, organic shapes, and then a picture using a variety of shapes and labeling them. So if you can see down at the bottom of my sketchbook page, I have geometric shapes that I have labeled. I have organic freeform shapes that I have labeled. So you're going to now create a picture. So all of that is to be done in your sketchbook. Next thing we learned about was positive and negative shapes. So positive and negative shapes. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be choosing two objects. You're going to draw them twice. Okay, so you can see in the example, I just drew the outline of a pair of scissors. I drew it twice. And then you're going to use color, crayon, marker, colored pencil, whatever you would like. And you're going to color the positive and the negative. So in the stool picture, this actual stool, that is the positive shape, is colored in the blue. And then right next to it, I colored the negative shape, which is actually the space around the stool. Okay, so you're going to be doing two of those in your sketchbook. And we also talked about Henri Matisse, and you watched a video of his cutouts. So you're going to be doing a sketchbook activity where you use one of his pieces from his cutout. So this one is called To Mask. Okay, you're going to recreate it in your sketchbook, and you need to include the title of the piece and then add color. So there you can see my example. I just chose one from the internet. I sketched it and colored it, including the title. Once you're done, you're going to submit all the pages in Schoology. Because there are multiple pages, you're going to use the Create option to upload all the pictures.